open for business.
Open for business. Which one? Open for business.
Wow, what do you have?
This and this.
Mm-hmm.
And this and this and this.
Okay.
Which one you want?
So many choices.
This one or 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 this one.
I think we would like to get the. What's this one?
Oh, I don't know.
Picky with a flower.
Yeah.
How much?
$50.
$50?
Yeah.
That's a little bit too high, isn't it?
No.
How much?
I don't know.
Oh, you have a six.
Which one you want?
I want the picky with the flower. How much? What's the price?
I don't know. Right here, this is the price.
The picky with the flowers. Which one is?
Hi.
Here? Proposing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Paying cash.
pink eyes.
Here, $16.99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 99. There you go.
Thanks.
There you go, one. Can you pack it for me?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow, this is good. So it comes with the, this is slime. All the decorations
Hi.
in here. Oh, good.
Mommy?
It's called proposal.
Mommy?
Proposing.
Mommy?
And then it comes with this little picky with the flower. So cute. Oh, this is all my stickers. So
You want
pretty.
this or this?
So pretty.
Which one you want?
It comes with our 2 logos. Wow. Great. Okay. This is a thank you card. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is pretty. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yay!